Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Coin Master app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, so then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Coin Master app. Or just click on search, then here add Coin Master app is going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Coin Master app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.